Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Encyo Com. Today I will discuss about ADB, that is Android Debugging Bridge, and secondly I will show you how to download it and do setup in your PC. First of all, we will see what is ADB. ADB is a command line tool that lets you to get control over any Android through their IP address. Make sure PC and Android should be connected over the same network. It has three components. Number 1, client, which sends commands. Number 2, daemon, which receives all commands from client and runs commands on a device. Number 3, server, which makes connection between a client and a daemon. For more information, you can visit to the page. I will give this link in the description box below. Now you have to download this file. I will give this link in the description box. You can visit this page and download this file. So this is our downloaded file. You have to open and extract it. Open it and open this folder and run this application. So it says, do you want to install ADB and fast boot? Type Y and hit enter. Install ADB system wide. Type Y and hit enter. So the process is done. Now check your browser. So this is our folder. From here you have to just select port file, ADB, ADB win API.dll, ADB win USB API.dll and fastboot. And here copy these 4 files and now go to local disk C. You can see I have already created ADB name folder. You can give any name to this folder and just open this and paste this 4. So your work is done. For confirmation, open CMD and run it as administrator. Here you have to get out of this directory. Just type cd ... and again write cd ... and simply write ADB. If your system have installed ADB, then it will show this script, otherwise it will show an error.